Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. My name is John Oni. In this video, I will be showing you how to use autocorrect in Word 2019 to enhance your typing speed. I encourage you to watch this video till the end as it promises to show you a new trick to make your typing easier and faster. If you are new here and you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly do that by hitting the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell so as for you to get notified whenever I drop a new video. And if you have already subscribed, I say a big thank you. What is autocorrect? Autocorrect is an automatic data validation feature in word processing tools like Microsoft Office Word that helps you to fix capitalization errors, typographical errors, and misspelling errors as you type in Word. For instance, if you type the word misspell with single L's, Word automatically changes it to misspell with double L's without you having to come back to make the correction by yourself. Likewise, the word different with single F will automatically be corrected to different with double F as you hit the spacebar. This helps you to minimize your error as you type in Word. You will also notice that the first letter of the first word in the sentence was automatically capitalized irrespective of the fact that you have typed in lowercase. Autocorrect also converts some text shortcuts into their proper symbols. For example, if I press bracket open, TM bracket close, it changes to the trademark symbol, and likewise if I press double dash and greater than symbol, it will automatically change to forward arrow. Beyond all this is the fact that you can enhance your typing speed and minimize your error and make your work faster by customizing the autocorrect option in Word 2019. For instance, I type exam questions for several schools and each subject will have at least 20 objective questions with options for students to pick from, sometimes from A to D or E. And I will spend more time if I have to be typing the options by opening bracket the option letter, probably the options, opening bracket B, sun, opening bracket C, drain, opening bracket D, then jog. This will slow up my typing speed. So what I do instead is I save more time by customizing the autocorrect options in Word by following these steps. First, you click on the File tab, then click on Options, click on Proofing, click on Autocorrect Options. Now you will see the Autocorrect dialog box. Here you will see the word replace, that is replace what with what. What I'm going to do is I will assign some letters to replace those options so that whenever I type, I won't have to be typing bracket open the option letter bracket close each time I want to type such option. So in this case, I will be using double A, replace it with option A, then I will click add, then double B, replace it with option B, add, double C, option C, add, double D, option D, add, double E, option E, add. Then I'm going to say when I press Q, replace it with dash so that I won't have to be pressing shift and the underscore sign to have my dash each time I want to press dash. So whenever I press Q, it will automatically be replaced with dash. Then when I press double S, it should give me section B, theory question. Click on add, then click OK and click OK. Now let's assume I want to retype questions 1, 2 and 3. I can now start by saying Q space. You can see I only have to press Q instead of me pressing shift and underscore symbol to get dash. Dash is an instrument used by astronomers to see distant things in the sky. Now I need to type the options. Instead of me saying bracket open A, bracket close, I will just type double A, telescope, double B, telescope, double C, telephone, double D, computer. Now, what is 2 naira plus 3 naira? Ideally, this is not the proper naira symbol. In this scenario, if I want to get naira symbol, I will have to go and insert the symbol from the insert tab. So let me highlight the first hashtag, click on insert, click on symbol, naira, and do the same thing here again. Click on symbol, naira. So will I have to be changing or be inserting the naira symbol each time I have to type? No. What do? I will just copy the first or any instance of the naira symbol and go back to File, Options, Proofing, Autocorrect Options, and press Shift 3. That is, whenever I press Shift 3, which is a shortcut for the hashtag, it should automatically change to naira symbol, and I will click on Add, then click OK and click OK. If I now have to type the options, option A, 7, option B, 8, option C, 6 naira. You can see now that I don't need to insert the naira symbol again, just because I've assigned the hash symbol to be replaced with the naira symbol. Question 4. Question 3 rather. The planets revolve around the dash solar system. Option A, rain. Option B, sun. Option C, drain. Option D, jog. You can see that my typing is faster. I don't have to spend unnecessary time trying to type all those options by opening bracket and closing bracket each time I have to press options A to D. So this will make my work faster. Likewise, if I want to type the section B part of the question, then I will press double S. Now, this have saved me the time that I would have expended in typing section B bracket open theory question, because I've customized it that whenever I press double S, it should automatically change to section B theory question. Then I start with 1. What is pollution? List 5 sources of pollution. So this will make my work faster, as you can outrightly see. What happens if you want to undo the autocorrect action? For example, maybe the second question is, what is SS plus AA? And I know that if I type what is SS, if I type the word SS and press the spacebar, it will change to section B theory questions, and I don't want it to be section B theory question. Instead, I need it as double S. In that scenario, to undo this action, I will press the undo shortcut, that's Ctrl plus Z on the keyboard. It will revert the change to the initial letters, which is SS plus AA. AA will automatically change to option A. Then I will also press Ctrl Z. This is how you can reverse an instance of autocorrect changes, or you permanently delete a particular autocorrect option by clicking on the File tab, Options, Proofing, Autocorrect Options, and search for that word. Let's say, for example, DD. I know that if I press DD while typing, it will change to option D, and I don't even want it to change any longer. Then I will click on DD and click on delete, then click OK. Subsequently, if I press DD, it will only remain as DD, it will not change to option D. Mind you, this method is not only applicable to exam questions, but maybe you have any document that you might need to be typing a particular word repeatedly. For example, movie script. Movie script will contain the names of the casts, and some names might be long in length. So in that scenario, you can customize a particular word to replace that name, so that instead of you having to type the name over and over again, you only type those letters that you have assigned to replace that particular name, thereby increasing your speed of typing and minimizing your error. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button below, so as for you to get notified whenever I drop a new video. And if you have any question or observation or comment, please don't hesitate to drop it in the comment box below, as I will be here to respond to them as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.